Former BB Naija housemate Rico Swavey involved in an accident. My gist corner lovers, una welcome to another gist with Happy. Patrick Fakoya, wey pipo know as Rico Swavey, get accident today wey be Tuesday. Na Alex Asogwa, wey be Alex Unusual, bin share dis news of di accident for her Twitter page. Alex tok say di accident just happen today say doctors dey try to make sure say Rico Swavey dey alright, na so she take comot for di hospital. Alex tok say the way wey she take see the accident say the thing dey very critical say she just dey keep positive mood in case of anything wey wan happen. She come talk say make people come dey pray for Rico no be small thing, say the accident no be small thing, say doctors dey try to see if Rico go dey alright or not, no be small thing my gist corner lovers. As Alex bin dey talk, she no tell us where the accident bin happen, she no tell us when the accident bin happen, she just talk say na today wey e bin happen, no time so the thing be say she dey call on everybody make everybody dey put Rico Swavey for prayer abeg, make God no allow bad thing happen to this guy may God take control of the situation and heal him my gist corner lovers, na my prayer be that. This kind accident thing no be small thing for person to talk say the thing dey critical, no be small thing. My gist corner lovers, na here I go close mouth for today gist with Happy. Make una do wetin una bye.